and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a huge Dollskill haul. Now I have quite a range of items and I'm just going to get to it because we've got quite a few bits and bobs to get through today. So I really hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing I got is this gorgeous leather kind of Colourblock skirt. Now I love this sort of colour spectrum of colours. I'm saying colour way too much, but you get the idea. And I loved how they were kind of vertical panels because I have one that's squares and so I just had to try this. Only thing I'm going to say, first glance, this is quite a short little skirt and it doesn't have shorts built in. So I don't mind shorter skirts if they are like a skirt because I feel like they just have a lot more security. But when it's this mini and being a little bit on the curvy side, it's going to be a whole wiggle sort of situation whenever I wear it. But if it's cute enough, I will suffer because look at that. I love it. Like, I love that so much. So I will throw this one on for you guys and we can take a look. This is what it fits like. Now, the waist is definitely not a nice snug fit on me, but maybe I can like wear it on my hips. So I'm wearing this sort of like corseted style top. It doesn't actually have any boning in it, but it almost makes it look like a bodysuit that's just cut really high. And I'm not a fan of that style. I know that is in at the moment, so I'm just gonna fold that up. But yeah, I can like wiggle it on my hips. Maybe that's workable. I mean, it is very cute. I love the colours of it. I think it definitely works as a skirt. I would prefer it to sit about here and be a few inches longer. But I think I can work it. Maybe in the winter with like a jumper top and tights, it might look a bit normal being that little bit more oversized. Because it's definitely not going to fall down, but there's quite a bit of space around the old waist. But let me know what you think. I love the colours in it though. I do love it. I feel really cool in it. So I think I'm going to try and wear it, and I love this little slit. I think that is just, for a mini skirt, that's very helpful because it's actually not very restrictive. So, and I don't think it's too short. It's actually kind of workable. So this one's a yes for now. I've just got to learn how to work it, basically. Now the next thing I got is a two-piece, and I was so excited for this, but now it's arrived. I think this skirt is going to have to be a bikini cover-up because that's not long enough. Like, I thought this skirt was too short, and this is like 2 inches shorter. I love the fabric and I love this sort of daisy print. I think it's so cute, and I love green, like really bright green is really kind of my colour at the moment. So I'm not sure on the skirt, but the matching top is super cute. This with like white jeans is going to be really nice, I think. So now, I really like this. I just have no idea how I'm going to work it, but that's the fun of Dollskill. You kind of have to just figure it out. This is what it looks like on, and it's cute, but I actually don't know if the top is even my style. With the collar and just the style of it, it's nice, and I think with white shorts or white jeans I might be pleasantly surprised. But I don't look in the mirror and see this as an outfit kind of for me. It almost just doesn't feel like my style, which I'm surprised at. I thought I was going to love it. But oh my god, this skirt is, yeah, it can cover a white bikini and then it's going to be really cute on the beach, but you can't wear this out and about. It just is too short. This would be really cute as a skirt as well. I feel like if it's a short skirt, just build in shorts, please. Or maybe just I should buy a pair of white shorts and black shorts. Then I can make every skirt a skirt. Now that sounds like a really smart idea. I think I'm going to look into that. But love the fabric, love the print. Just the fit isn't quite, I don't think it's made quite for my physique. But let me know what you think. It's definitely cute. I think I have better. But moving on, the next thing I got, I am so excited to try on. This is a denim jumpsuit with like a square neckline. It's flares. I'm just so ready for this. Like, I'm just gonna throw this on and let's see what it looks like because I'm just so excited for like all this darting. I think it's going to be gorgeous. Like, I have high hopes for this, so let's just put it on. This is how it fits, and I'm obsessed. It's kind of a very comfortable fit. Like, it's not super tight anywhere, and it probably could be slightly better fitted to me. But overall, this is so cute. It's a lot higher necked, but it's just so stretchy and so comfortable. Like, I feel like a really cute farmer's daughter. That's the kind of vibe I'm getting from this. But I mean, it fits beautifully at the back. It's a little bit gapey here, but I think as you wear it, it will kind of like give over time. And look at the length of it. This is made for my height. Like, the length is just spot on. I love how it fits my thighs. Like, it's so comfortable. Like, it's so stretchy. I'm actually in love with this. Like, how cute is that? And I love all the darting at the front. It's got a lot of kind of detail and paneling. but it's really cute. Like, it's not too much. So I really like this one, and I love the blue. It's such a light denim blue rather than a dark denim. I'm obsessed. And now this leads on to the next item quite perfectly, because take a look at these bad boys. These are denim flares, but with denim tulips on them, and I'm just here for it. Like, look at that. And then they're button-ups. Only thing I would say, these don't have any belt buckle loops. So if you're like me and you're a little bit on the curvy side, a belt, it can just change a look completely, because you can just draw it in at the waist. These have to be like bang on my size, otherwise they're not gonna work. So let's put them on. To just appreciate the jeans, please. These are perfect. Like, I am obsessed with these. I love that they are button up and not a zip, because whenever I wear a pair of jeans that sit on my hips, the flies go down just all the time. Like, I have to literally like paper clip them to the button. Otherwise, I'm literally just flies open to everyone. Whereas these don't have that problem. They are a tiny bit loose right at the top, but I think I can put a tiny bit of elastic and it will just kind of tuck that in a little bit. But I mean, they're not gonna fall down. My hips are keeping these bad boys up, and they're really flattering on my legs. Like, I don't think they're too tight anywhere, so I think if I did go for a size smaller, it might be a bit squashy on my thighs, and I'm not about that look. But look at the tulips, like, these are so fun. And the length of them is perfect. I need to wear like a cute pair of like wedges with them, and that will just finish the look. And then probably not a brown crop top, I think like a white, or like just a kind of more pastel crop top, and we're home and dry. I just can't sit down in them because they're low rise, but that's a price to pay with low rise jeans. This cool, and I'm willing to pay it because just, I'm obsessed. They're just so fun. I've never seen anything like it, especially with like flower designs, and they are actually pockets. They're just not exactly the most practical of pockets. Let's move to the next item, because I could talk about these all day. I love them. So the next thing I got is this really cute embroidered jumper. Now, I love this, but I don't know if it suits me. So it's just like this black cardigan, and then it has like embroidered flowers all over the sleeves, and they're almost like balloon sleeves. I'll just throw it on so we can see what it looks like, but I just think it just doesn't look like my style. Like, I like it, but you know when some things just don't click for you. But let's put it on and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try and show you, but my hair today has decided to just grow 8 sizes. So it's a bit hard to show anything without it covering it. But it's really cute. It's got loads of flowers all over it, and they're really nice flowers. They're like little embroidery bundles. I really like it. These almost look like they're meant to be up a little bit, and then it would be an inappropriate placement, but I don't know, I like it, but it just doesn't quite scream my name. Let me know what you think. I'm intrigued because it's beautiful and I do really like it. I just think maybe I need to style it a bit differently. Maybe. It's very cute. And then the final thing I got, I'm almost as excited for these as I was for these jeans. Like, these were probably like my favorite things that I ordered. I was so excited for it to arrive. Is this 2-piece loungewear set. And I mean, it's speaking for itself already. You can see it's got flames literally all over it, and it's knitted, so it's going to be really warm, and I'm just obsessed. Like, this jumper, it's so versatile because I can wear it with the matching leggings, or I can wear this with jeans, and I'm just gonna feel so cool. So I'll throw this set on. It is really warm in England today, funny enough. A rarity, that is. So I'm gonna die trying this on, but I'm gonna do it for you. So I hope you guys appreciate. I mean, this is just a complete yes. Like, I love this. I love the fact they're knitted leggings. Like, I know they're not the most flattering. They do just kind of emphasize certain assets, but they are so warm, and these are really nice. They're like double lined, so I can already feel the warmth, and I cannot keep these on for too long. But this jumper is going to look really cute with like denim shorts or denim jeans. Like, this is going to go with just like casually with everything, and then when I want to, I can have the matching loungewear. Like, I love this, and I love that it's kind of the red and yellow flames, because they do it in blues as well. So if you're not really this spectrum, they do a blue set as well, and I will link them down below if you would like to check them out. But this is just so cool. Like, I love this, because especially in the past year, we've been just working from home and studying from home, and I've been fed up wearing my pajamas or wearing like tracksuits. I want some fun loungewear. Like, it has to be fun. So my loungewear collection is getting quite funky and I'm so here for it, and this is the perfect addition. Like, yes. Tell me what you think, but I love it, so no, 10 out of 10. But that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's haul. It was a lot of fun. I got quite a few just fun items, but I will try and link them all down below if they're still available, so if you'd like to check any out, they should be in the description box. But thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.